Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. Today I'm going to hit you with a review that's a little different than my usual reviews. I'm going to review the Remington Titanium Haircut Kit. Before I open it up and show you what's inside, which you kind of get a glimpse from the outside, I'm going to tell you, this is an excellent razor. Even without trying it, I knew it was going to be great because it's made of titanium. Titanium is a silverish color metal that's very lightweight. It won't erode, it won't rust, and it stays sharp for long periods of time. So let me show you the razor. It comes with a nice case, all its own. Remington, a well-known company for beauty and hair cutting kits. Inside, which is the main piece, the razor. Very nice looking razor. As you see, it's gold and black, with the exception of the top. It has an adjustable side. It has various pieces to make different size haircuts and different size cuts. It comes with clips. This is one of those things that you wrap around your neck to prevent yourself from getting hair on you. Scissors, comb, a little oil, and documents. Well, I'm not going to show you a whole haircut. I'll just quickly show you how smoothly it cuts and how quiet its performance is. I'm going to turn it on. You see how quiet it sounds? If you guys have heard in a barbershop or in someone's house, a friend of yours does haircuts, a lot of these are very loud. This is wonderful. It's not loud at all. As far as cutting, I'm going to try to show you a little demonstration using my arm. Alright, you're looking at my arm. Pretty hairy. It's not a head, but I'll show you. Simple as that. Although it's made for haircuts, it could also be used for your beard and mustache as a trimmer, and it could be used for several other personal grooming reasons of your choice. It works very well, cuts very smoothly, doesn't pull the hair. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like. Share the video. Share my channel. And share my other videos. Subscribe to PR's Realm on YouTube. www.youtube.com/PRSREALM.